I'm Shauna Theriault, a senior financial advisor, a new face at Wiser. It's great to meet you. I often get the question about, do I have enough to retire, or how much can I take out of my portfolio when I retire? And what I always answer with, well, it depends what you spend. There's no set, amount that you need to retire, because if you have $1 million but you spend $100,000 a year, you can quickly do the math and know that that's not going to go very far. So really a good rule of thumb, and something, if you're not running a plan, a good rule of thumb is a back of the napkin calculation is you can look at the 4% rule. And the 4% rule shows that you can pull about 4% of your portfolio out a year. So what does that mean? So let's say you have income of $40,000 from Social Security, maybe a pension, maybe dividends. So maybe you have $40,000 of income in retirement, but you spend $100,000. So you still need to pull 60 from somewhere. As long as that 60,000 is less than 44% of your portfolio, you're at a good withdrawal rate. So you would need to have about 1.5 million as a starting point to withdraw 60,000 a year. So, if you have a portfolio of 1.2 million, you would need to look at your other sources of income and then look at the withdrawal rate, including taxes. Make sure, you have to look at taxes in there as well. And whatever that is, so 1.2% times the 4%, that's a good withdrawal rate. Now, the inflation, obviously expenses are going up each year. And so you can do a little bit of an inflation in there too, maybe 2% a year. You could take that 60,000 that we talked about and increase it by 2% a year. And so the idea is, if you're only pulling 4% or less from your total portfolio as a withdrawal rate, that the growth on your portfolio will exceed what that withdrawal rate is. And so it'll allow your portfolio to keep growing beyond that and hopefully never run out of money, because the last thing you want to do is live longer than your money. I hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions. Recommend looking at a plan and reaching out to us, but that's a good back of the napkin calculation.